Kraken versus Coinbase versus Binance, which is better exchange? When it comes to choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, the decision often comes down to three giants in the industry: Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance. Each has its strength and each appeals to a slightly different type of user. So, which one is best for you? Let's break it down. Security and trustworthiness. When dealing with digital assets, security is everything. Kraken is widely respected for its security-first approach. It has never been hacked, uses cold storage for most funds, and enforces strong user authentication measures. For institutional investors and those who prioritize safety, Kraken is often the go-to. Coinbase, a publicly traded company based in the United States, is also considered very secure. It holds a significant portion of assets offline and offers FDIC insurance on USD balances for US customers. Its regulatory compliance and transparency give users peace of mind. Binance, while offering solid security features like SAFU, Secure Asset Fund for users, has faced more scrutiny. User interface and experience. Coinbase shines when it comes to simplicity. If you're a beginner, its clean, intuitive interface is perfect. It's almost like the Apple of crypto exchanges: polished, easy to use, and beginner friendly. Kraken has a more complex interface but offers a highly customizable experience, especially in its Pro version. Advanced traders will appreciate the detailed charts and range of order types. Binance can feel overwhelming for new users, with a vast array of features and interfaces. However, it's extremely powerful. If you're willing to spend a little time learning, it offers the most tools in the game: spot trading, futures, margin, savings, staking, and more. Fees and pricing. Let's talk money, because fees can eat into your profits. Coinbase is known for high fees, especially on the regular platform. It's convenient, but that comes at a cost. You can reduce cost by using Coinbase Pro, but even then it's not the cheapest. Kraken's fees are more competitive, especially on Kraken Pro. It also supports futures trading at lower cost compared to many rivals. Binance takes the lead here. Its trading fees are among the lowest in the industry, and it offers discounts if you pay using BNB, its native token. It's clearly aimed at active traders who want to save. Available cryptocurrencies. Binance is the undisputed champion in terms of variety. With hundreds of tokens and trading pairs, it's a paradise for altcoin enthusiasts and those seeking access to newer projects. Kraken offers fewer coins, but is very selective and reliable about what it lists. Its focus is more on quality than quantity. Coinbase offers a moderate selection more than Kraken, but less than Binance. It adds new assets slowly, prioritizing regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance and location. Coinbase, being based in the US and listed on the Nasdaq, has to play by the rules. It's a top choice for users in the United States and countries with strict regulation. Kraken is also US-based and follows a similarly strict regulatory approach, though it's available in fewer countries than Coinbase. Binance, originally founded in China and now officially headquartered in the Cayman Islands, operates globally but often faces legal challenges. It's restricted or banned in several jurisdictions, including parts of the US. Mobile apps and features. All three exchanges offer robust mobile apps, but Binance packs the most features. Whether you're managing a wallet, trading futures, or staking crypto, Binance has it all. Coinbase's mobile app is sleek and user-friendly, perfect for quick buys and portfolio tracking. Kraken's app is more function-focused, catering to traders who want access to advanced tools on the go. Customer support. Kraken is often praised for its responsive and professional customer support, particularly for large volume traders. Coinbase has had mixed reviews. Some users report slow response times, especially during periods of high demand. Binance's support system has improved over time but still struggles with volume. It offers live chat, but the resolution times vary. Final verdict. So, which exchange is best? Here's a quick breakdown. Choose Coinbase if you're a beginner looking for a safe and easy to use platform in a regulated environment. Choose Kraken if you want a strong security, moderate fees, and access to futures trading with a professional feel. Choose Binance if you are an experienced trader looking for the lowest fees, tons of features, and a massive coin selection, but be ready to navigate some regulatory complexity. The best exchange depends on your experience level, trading goals, and location. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments, and if this helped, don't forget to leave a like.